It's almost game day, and you know what that means? It's time to throw a party. I'm Chef Nathan Lippy, your host, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a really fantastic recipe. Today we're making simple and delicious street tacos with some pineapple pickled jalapeno peppers. They're amazing and difficult to say, but it's a really simple recipe. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Let's jump right into the video. We're gonna start with our jalapeno peppers. We're gonna slice them nice and thin. Today I'm using some green and some red. Now, if you don't like the heat, you can get rid of the seeds, but I kinda like a spicy street taco, so that's what I'm using today with the seeds. We're gonna add some pineapple juice and some olive oil, a little bit of minced garlic, some lime juice, and a bit of salt and pepper. Now, the lime juice and pineapple juice, they're gonna mellow out the heat just a little bit. Now, they're still gonna be hot because we have the seeds, but the juice is gonna bring a sweetness that makes them a little bit more fun to eat. Now, I'm using my taco fajita Blackstone seasoning today on some thin cut top round. Now, you really don't wanna use a super expensive cut of meat if you wanna be authentic to some Mexican street tacos, but you can use whatever cut that you like. Just get that seasoning on there and let it sit for a good 30 minutes to penetrate the meat. Now, our sauce is really, really simple. You barely need a recipe. We're gonna add some sour cream, some of our Blackstone taco fajita seasoning, and some lime juice, and that is it. It's really, really fantastic and simple. It's gonna be a great sauce on our street tacos. Now, I've got my Blackstone Griddle charcoal grill combo screaming. I've got those coals going really, really hot because we want to cook our steak as quickly as possible. Now, this isn't a thick ribeye or New York strip, so we're not going to get that medium rare cook that we really want on those kinds of steaks, but that's okay. That's not the point of what we're doing here. We want to cook these quick and fast. On the griddle side, I'm going to toast my corn tortillas for about 2 minutes or so on each side. Today, I've got my Blackstone taco holders. These things are so fun, especially if you're throwing a little party. They're a really great way to serve some delicious tacos. So we're gonna put our lightly toasted corn tortillas in our holder and bring our steak over to our cutting board. And we're gonna cut this up pretty small. We want them to be bite-sized so that whenever you take a bite of the taco, it's just one great bite of meat. It's delicious. We're gonna add our garnish of peppers and our sauce over the top. And I like to add a good bit of fresh cilantro. These are simple and delicious. You can make a ton for a ton of people or just for a few people, depending on how big your game day party is. But it's a crowd pleaser. People are gonna love these. They're so simple to make. If you guys want this recipe and a ton more, be sure to go blackstoneproducts.com. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.